Hi, this is Wade's Little Lover 1
And Horse Lover 708.
and
I'm sitting on the couch.
we are trying to teach Candy, my puppy, how to do agility, but she's so young and we need tips because she's doesn't listen. So if you know how to teach a puppy how to do agility and not get distracted by Cat's water bowls, then we might actually make a good team.
Yeah.
There's her jumping the first time. There's her getting the treat. There's her coming back.
Coming back.
Again. And there's her being stubborn, not coming over. There's her going over. And basically the same thing happens, except she won't stop in the stop box or jump over on cue. So hooray! Go get it!
Hup. Hup.
Or not. Well, this is pathetic. So we have to throw treats in order to get her to jump. Now, if any of you raise beagles or know how to train them really well, that would be great because, well,
That's Candy.
she knocked down the jump. This is pathetic, so goodbye. That's all I'm going to show you, but seriously.